drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color in an open book. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, but anything will work. I'll be using some computer paper to draw on, an ultrafine point Sharpie to draw with, and some Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencil crayons to color with. So now let's get right into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Now, first I'm going to take the lid off my Sharpie so that we're ready to draw. So now the first drawing step is I'm going to be drawing a line in the middle. Just straight down the middle, because this is going to be for the middle of our book where the two pages connect. So I'm going to go right here in the middle of my page and draw a line right up. Just like that. Now we're going to be drawing the two pages on either side of the book. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes diagonally up, just like that. Now I'm going to do the same line down here. I'm going to try and make it the same length, but if it's not, that's okay, because we can fix that later. So I'm going to go down, and I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to make this one a little longer. And there we go. Now we're going to do that exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line, just like that, except I'm going to make it a little longer. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same on the bottom. Perfect. Now I'm going to connect this to this with a straight line that goes up and down, and this is called a vertical line. If it goes across this way, it's called a horizontal line. Now I'm going to draw another vertical line to connect these 2 points. Just like that. Now here comes one of my favorite parts, and one of the parts that especially makes this look like a book. Drawing some of the pages behind and in front of the pages that we are open on right now. So, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, just like that. And now I might draw some lines in here, just like that. This will make it look like these are pages in the book. Now, I'm going to do the same on the other side. So this can be thicker or thinner than this side, because it doesn't matter. They could be in the middle of the book, you could be near the end, you could be near the beginning. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to make it about the same size. And now I'm going to do those same lines that go here, to show that there are more than just one page in there. And now, I did go out a little, so I'm just going to take that back in. And now, this might not look quite right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take these a little further out, and then go up with them. And I'm just going to keep drawing little lines like this, all the way up. And I'm just going to stop like that. Now these look like the pages of an open book. And here's the page we're open on. Now I'm going to do the same on this side so that it looks more 3D. So I'm going to take this out a little bit, then start drawing the lines that go upward. Perfect. Now this next step is optional, but if you want this to look more like a hardcover book, then you can do this. If you want it to look more like a paperback or a softcover book, then you don't have to do this step. But here it is. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm just going to draw the same shape of the book, just around the outside. Just like that. And then I'm going to take that in, because this is going to be the cover of the book. Now I'm going to do this here too. I'm going to go right around the outside, just leaving a little line of blankness, and then taking it in. Just like that. And now this is the cover. Now you can leave it here and it would look just great, but I'm going to add some details to the inside of my book. So at the bottom of the pages, I'm going to add a page number. How about 74 and 75? Great. Now I'm just going to draw some squiggly lines across. So this might be writing. You can actually write in here, or you can leave it blank. I think either one would look great. Or of course you can do the curved lines like me. And great. Now you can leave your book just like this and it would look perfect. But I'm going to be coloring in mine. You can color yours in any way you want, but here's how I'll be coloring in mine. Like I said earlier, I'll be using Prismacolor colored pencils to color in my book. Now I'm not going to be doing a lot of coloring in, but here's what I'll be doing. I'm going to be taking True Blue, and I'm just going to color in the cover of the book. Now if you didn't do this, then you can totally skip this coloring step. But this is just this little section we did here on the outside, if you did that. So I'm just going to color this in quickly. Just like that. Now I'm going to go in and I might do some, and just make sure that there's no little white spots in my coloring. There we go. Now this is just a tiny bit of shading, but not really. I'm just going to be going in with Spanish orange. I'm just going to go over the pages lightly. This may make it look a little older or feel a little older because the pages have yellowed, or maybe that's just the type of paper it was printed on, but you can just leave yours white. And that is my open book drawing. If you want to show me your drawing, ask your parent or teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@yahoo.com. Also include in the email, what's your favorite book? I have a ton of favorites because I love to read. Now, if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw an ice cream cone. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Now, I'll see you guys next time. So keep on drawing till then. Bye!